Assembly directions for a 3-seat swing. 3-seat swings provide a comfortable seating option for your deck, yard or patio. These swings require careful installation or the seat portion may fall off the top of the swing. Most of these swings can hold a weight of 500 to 700 pounds and are made of both fabric and metal. Check the instructions manual that comes with your swing set before assembling your swing. Improperly putting a swing together can result in injury. Things you'll need: swing set. Connect the legs to the top frame. Align the holes of the front leg and the top frame and insert bolts in the holes. Secure the bolts with washers. Repeat for the other side. Connect the leg bars and crossbar using the same technique. Check the instructions manual for specific instructions. Insert the hanging back and seat crossbars. Unfold the seat and back and connect the back crossbar and seat crossbar using a bolt and washer. Check the manual for specific instructions. Hang the hanging bar on the top of the swing set. Place a hook on the left and right side of the hanging bar and hang the seat on the hooks. Check the manual for specific instructions. Attach the canopy to the swing set. Unfold the canopy and insert the canopy sidebar into the holes on the canopy's edges. Set the canopy on top of the frame and attach the canopy to the top frame bar. Tighten with a bolt and washer. Double check if the bolts are tightened.